Look at that. Perfect.
I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible.
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. This is a beautiful wig. Absolutely love it. It's a 7x5 bye-bye knots chestnut brown color wig. Yes, popping for the summer. You're gonna love it. Pre everything. The lace is already bleached. You have it pre-cut. Everything is pre. And guess what? You also have a drawstring that you are gonna love because it's a one size fits all with the drawstring, and it's super easy to use. It's comfortable. It's perfect. I love all my wigs with a drawstring. I think they did that. So make sure you get a wig with a drawstring because you're gonna love it, and it doesn't matter your head size. Okay, now look at this color, how beautiful it is. Absolutely love it. I think they spent time with coloring this wig. It was perfect looking at it, and for a Yaki texture, let me tell you how beautiful it is. So nice. Look at that. Absolutely love it. So we are gonna get to installing. Let's go.
All right, guys.
First, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life if there's a point to losing love, repeating pain. It's all the same. I hate this place. I'm stuck in this paradise.
All right, guys. I took the wig off and I kind of fix the rigid end, so we're gonna place it back on. It is a drawstring wig. I told you guys that already. And look at that. Perfect. So even though it's a drawstring, it fits my head, but we're gonna go ahead and pull that drawstring. So for me to do that easy, I am going to put this up, and then let's go around the back and do the drawstring. So this is it. All you gotta do is pull it down, pull on the drawstring, and then there's a pin on it, pull it all the way down as well. And once that's done, you top whatever is left underneath. Perfect. Tell me about this lace. You see this? Yeah. I'm gonna put this around it for a few minutes. We're not gonna let it stay long. This is a Yaki texture here, but best believe the chestnut color is golden. So I will be showing you guys how I curl the hair and how I leave it straight. I'm gonna add a few curls in it. So basically gonna do two styles. But as far as the lace, I didn't have to do nothing to the lace. Top tier. And bear in mind, I only put the spray just so it's a little bit more tack for the day. You can take it off and redo it. So I absolutely am impressed. I'm impressed with this. Okay, I'm totally impressed. And there we go. That's all. It still looks super natural. We're gonna flat iron the hair, and we are going to curl the hair. We're gonna let this sit. So I'll be back.
I gotta
this is how the hair looks straight. Love it. I didn't have to do much because it already came like this. So it's a closure 7x5. I'm definitely gonna add some curls so you guys could see, but the chestnut color, chef's kiss. I love it. You see that? All right, so we're gonna go in. I'm gonna add some curls so you guys can see a difference with the hair, just because it have the color as well. And I love how they bleach your hair. It's just perfect. It's summertime. You need a colored wig in your life, okay? And this is a Yaki straight, which means it's easy maintenance. You don't have to worry. You can just literally run the flat iron through it. You don't have to section out the hair, as you guys saw. So we're gonna put some curls in it and we're gonna see how it turns out, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I showed you guys straight. You see that? Even though it's a Yaki textured hair, I am going to go ahead and add some curls in it right now. So you guys are gonna see the curls. So I'm gonna use this and just add some curls just to change up the style a little bit more, because we do have color in it, so it's gonna look super cute.
Rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. Get to it. We can give it all that we got. Too late for this shit right here. Too busy for this shit right here. I wanna talk about this shit.
Hey, I added the curls. What do you think? Oh, bouncy. The color is perfect. Love, 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 love the color with the curls. I did simple curls. I didn't want to add too much just because the color is at the end. So what are your thoughts? This is a second hairstyle and you can go on and on if you want, but I love how this turn out with the little curls. Just so you know, doesn't matter if it's a Yaki texture here, you can still add curls to it. Okay, you can, and you can add heat up to 450, 455 degrees. My flat iron is one is 450, one is 455. So don't worry, the hair is not gonna burn or anything. So this is how the curly looks. You can do it. You can add some curls to it, okay? All right, guys, that's it for this hair video. Thanks to Nadula here once more for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check the description. All the links will be there, their website. If you want this direct wig, it will be there. If you want to check out the website, it will be there as well. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Please leave a comment and tell me if you like this wig, because I do, okay?
Like and subscribe.
Bye.